Tutankhamun, the boy king who ascended the throne of the ancient Egyptians at a very young age, has echoed through history as one of the most mysterious and iconic rulers. Born around 1341 BC, he reigned during a turbulent era of political and religious transformation. Although his rule was brief, the legacy he left behind ensured his place among the greatest figures of world history. The most remarkable aspect of Tutankhamun's story was the discovery of his tomb, unearthed by British archaeologist Howard Carter in 1922 in the Valley of the Kings, Luxor. Unlike many royal tombs that had been plundered, his burial site was found almost intact, filled with golden treasures and artistic masterpieces reflecting the magnificence of ancient Egyptian craftsmanship. Among the most famous artifacts is the golden funerary mask, a timeless symbol of beauty and power, alongside hundreds of objects that depicted daily life and funerary rituals. Mystery also surrounds Tutankhamun's untimely death at the age of 19. Scholars have long debated the cause. Some believe he was the victim of a political conspiracy, while others suggest illness, a genetic disorder, or even an accident led to his demise. This unresolved enigma has only deepened global fascination with his story, keeping his name alive across generations. Tutankhamun was more than just a ruler. He became a symbol of the immortality of the ancient Egyptians. The discovery of his tomb opened an extraordinary window into the secrets of history, reviving the grandeur of Egypt in the imagination of the world. To this day, he continues to inspire scholars, artists, and explorers, embodying the eternal mystery of one of the world's greatest civilizations.